Welcome to Holmes Honda. My name is James Glassy. I want to introduce you to the 2019 Green Car of the Year, named that by Green Car Journal, Honda Insight. Not only is this a very stylish hybrid, it gets over 50 miles per gallon, but it's got a lot of other cool features. Let me show you. Instead of a traditional spare tire, this Honda hybrid comes with a tire inflator kit. I'm going to demonstrate that for you. Follow me. If you're ever stuck on the side of the road, all you have to do is take out your kit, plug the power source into the adapter here. Then this hose is going to stretch to your deflated tire, and you simply just turn it on just like that, and it's going to fill it with air. Honda's always making it easy. Come see me at Holmes Honda Shreveport. Again, my name is James Glassy. See you soon.